Imagine a world where software isn't a tool, but a partner. Satya Nadella, Microsoft's visionary CEO, predicts a seismic shift. AI agents will replace traditional applications and SaaS platforms, heralding a future where technology adapts to you, not the other way around. AI agents revolutionize how we interact with data. Instead of navigating complex software, you simply instruct the AI to analyze sales trends or generate reports. These agents directly interact with databases, bypassing traditional interfaces, offering a dynamic and intuitive user experience. For developers, the rise of AI agents is a game changer. Static code and rigid workflows give way to training AI models capable of dynamic interactions. This transition demands new skills in AI model training, data optimization, and system scalability, fostering a more creative and innovative development ecosystem. Imagine automating complex tasks like sales analysis, Python script generation, or email marketing without switching between multiple tools. AI agents embed business logic directly, delivering faster results while streamlining workflows and cutting operational costs. Microsoft's Copilot is a glimpse into the AI-driven future Nadella envisions. These tools automate repetitive tasks, suggest intelligent recommendations, and redefine productivity, aligning with the broader goal of AI-native business solutions. This evolution challenges the SaaS model as we know it. With AI agents performing tasks autonomously, traditional applications risk becoming obsolete. Developers and businesses must pivot to stay relevant in an AI-dominated landscape. From manufacturing floors to customer service desks, AI agents promise industry-wide transformation. Businesses adopting this technology gain an edge through streamlined operations, faster decision-making, and enhanced user experiences. AI agents blur the line between enterprise and consumer technology. For businesses, it means smarter workflows. For consumers, it means simpler, more personalized interactions, removing barriers between technology and its users. Satya Nadella's vision isn't just a prediction, it's a roadmap for a new technological paradigm. AI agents promise to eliminate inefficiencies, redefine software, and unlock unprecedented opportunities for innovation and growth. Like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve and explore how AI will transform our world.